Welcome to this tutorial on how to track expenses in Wally, a personal finance app designed to help you manage your money effectively. Tracking expenses is a crucial step in understanding where your money is going and making informed financial decisions. To start tracking expenses in Wally, first download and install the app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account and log in to begin using the app. The main dashboard will display your overall financial picture, including income, expenses, and savings. To add an expense, navigate to the Expenses tab and click on the plus icon to create a new entry. Enter the date, amount, and category of the expense, such as food, transportation, or entertainment. You can also add a description and tag the expense for easier tracking. Wally allows you to categorize expenses into different groups, making it easy to see where your money is being spent. The app also includes a list of predefined categories, but you can also create custom categories to suit your needs. In addition to manual entry, Wally also allows you to link your bank account and credit cards to automatically track your expenses. This feature eliminates the need for manual entry and ensures that all your expenses are accounted for. To get the most out of Wally, it is essential to establish a routine of regularly tracking your expenses. Set aside a few minutes each day or week to log your expenses, and make sure to include every single transaction, no matter how small. By tracking your expenses in Wally, you will be able to identify areas where you can cut back and make adjustments to achieve your financial goals. The app also provides detailed reports and analytics to help you understand your spending habits and make informed decisions. Best practices for tracking expenses in Wally include being consistent, accurate, and detailed. Make sure to include all expenses, including small purchases and cash transactions. Regularly review your expenses to identify trends and areas for improvement, and adjust your budget accordingly. In conclusion, tracking expenses in Wally is a straightforward process that can help you take control of your finances. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Wally to gain a clear understanding of your spending habits and make positive changes to achieve financial stability and success.